Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a particularly naturous episode of anime cooking. So wrap up those fryers and empty that stomach, because we're making BLTs, baby. So the first step I'm gonna go for, ready my tomato, because the T in tomato is the T in BLT is indeed tomato. Let's do a bit of tameshigiri. So the protein is gonna be bacon, of course. That's the B in this thing. So I'm just gonna use all of this. I don't have any fridge or anything. So I remember one time in grade school when you had to like put what you wanted to be in the future, like as an assignment. So I put like a marine or something, like an army person, and in the yearbook they actually changed it to a police officer. And I'm, dude, I don't want to be a police officer. I want to shoot. Anyway, once you got all those prettily prepped onto the thing, you just have to turn on your flame instrument. Heal, skittle. So the thing about bacon is you want to cook it really slow. So I have to put it on directly because there's no setting. Put a lower heat on here. You actually want to do this so they don't stick to the pan in this process. This is probably going to turn out horrible. I've never tried this on this pan. And then when it's kind of brown on one side, you gotta flip them. Or hanekais is the Nips would say. Ow. Here's an anime fact. The director of Tokyo Godfathers actually made the movie because he saw the movie Finding Nemo, but he thought the characters didn't look ugly enough. And then once it looks brown enough, whatever, easy and able to consume, you can just start putting them like where the rest of your ingredients are. So the concept of frying bacon in its own grease is kind of weird to me. I mean, imagine getting boiled alive in your own blood. And what's a sandwich without bread? Let me tell you, it's boring. Anyway, just put your thing on the toaster. So once you got one of your breads cooking on the frying pan, it's time to just add those ingredients, you know what I'm saying? So this recipe was inspired by a famous shit poster, Blukino, and he said put cheese on it. So I'm gonna sprinkle cheese on there. So I actually flipped her over because I could tell one side was having enough of the heat. There we go, I reckon we've gotten her done. So now for the moment I've been waiting for, how does she look inside? It's soggy on the bread. Oh yeah, yeah, let's do a taste test. So anyway, the Japanese word we're gonna learn today is neru. Neru, that means to sleep. I'll give you an example. 受験部5個の水滴で会社にするのにすぐを待つ、うない待つ、風来待つ、くんねるところに住むところ。やぶら工事のブロ工事、パイポのシューリンガンのグリーンダイのポポビーのポポナのチョキメの長介。That means 受験部5個の水滴で会社にするのに